Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to redeem Binance Gift Card. First of all, open up your application and make sure that you are connected to the internet. Now, click on the Binance application logo which is at the top left corner of the screen. After that, click on More Services. Here, scroll down and under Gift and Campaign section, find Gift Card and click on it. Now tap on Redeem to Crypto button. Enter the redemption code from your Binance gift card and confirm the action to redeem it. Once redeemed, the balance or asset will automatically appear on your Binance wallet. Go to your wallet to confirm that redeemed amount is available. Alternatively, you can also do this on your Binance website. Log into your account and go to your profile under gift card section. Follow the same step to redeem by entering the code. And that is how you can redeem Binance gift card. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.